Finding your art style and building confidence with your art is a journey, and honestly, it's not an easy one. When you're learning a new skill, whether it's embroidery or anything else, it's so easy to get discouraged. I still struggle with this sometimes, but over the years, I've picked up a few tips that have really helped me. And today I figured I'd take you along while I stitch this fox pattern, and I'll share them with you. This pattern's available on my Etsy, and I will leave it in the description if you're interested in purchasing it. All right, let's get into it. The most valuable piece of advice I've ever received was this: stay curious and see creativity as a form of play. When you're making art, it's tempting to immediately critique yourself, but it's so important to turn off that logical, judgmental part of your brain and just have fun. Just try experimenting and exploring. This mindset takes the pressure off and often leads to real breakthroughs. Another big thing, follow what excites you. When I first started thread painting, I focused just on one subject: pet portraits. I stitched dogs and cats for a long time before I branched out into other things. Practicing one thing over and over not only helped me improve, but it also built up my confidence naturally. And one tip I cannot recommend enough is to document your work. Take pictures or keep a little journal. It's so easy to feel like you're not getting better fast enough, but when you look back, you'll see the progress you've made. Every tiny improvement will add up. Finally, I know this one is tough. Try not to compare your journey to someone else's. Everyone learns differently and everyone grows at their own pace. The most productive thing you can do is to focus on your own progress. That leads me into the next thing I wanted to talk about, which is finding your style. When I first started embroidering, I felt like I had to create art in a style that was trendy. I kept trying to fit into a box that honestly I just didn't belong in. For a long time, I thought certain styles were just better, and I resisted following what came naturally to me. But over the years, I learned to lean into my instincts and into what inspired me. For me, that was thread painting and stitching whimsical animals. It felt natural and it just felt right to me. I'm still figuring it out. Honestly, your style will always be evolving, but now I feel so much closer to expressing myself authentically through my embroidery. And I really hope you'll give yourself permission to do the same, even if it means you're going against the grain. So trust your instincts, follow your curiosity, and most importantly, keep creating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like embroidery tutorials as well as little nuggets of wisdom like this every now and then, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.